I'd never seen such a shameless bird. I was fishing for a juice soup, unaware of a sneaky bird behind me. This bird was sly, with a head full of tricks. Every fish I caught it snatched. I kept fishing, clueless, as it stole more. When I checked my basket, I was shocked. I suspected the bird, who looked guilty and full. I decided to trick it with an empty hook. It fell for it, and I gave it a big salty fish. Surprisingly, it swallowed it whole. It kept stealing, leaving only bones. Annoyed, I challenged it to a fight. I used my moves and it fled, but it returned, so I used chili powder. It danced in pain and flew away. Feeling sorry, I set a fresh fish on a seesaw. The bird chased it, but failed and tried using a net. It even tried using an island as a shield, but ended up singed. Did I bully it? You decide.